Okay, we're going to work through a few of these examples here. Let's see. We'll begin with we'll note that we have these couple formulas here, this one and this one, straight from the definition. So down here, we're going to need the chain rule, though. Y prime would be 2 sinh 3x times, now we need the derivative of this, of the hyperbolic sign here, which would be hyperbolic hyperbolic cosine. And then, of course, we need the derivative of the 3x. So that's chain rule in action. And then really can't really, oops, it's not an x, it's just a 3, sorry. So now you have 6. I can write it like that. Okay, next one, we have an integral. Now, since we know, if we look at this, we know that it would have to come from this. This part of the antiderivative would have to be this in order to produce a cosh. But we'd also need, because the derivative of the sinh of 4x would be cosh of 4x times 4, we would have to use a 4 underneath here to make that 4 cancel. So that would give us that result. Okay, let's squeeze another one in here. Okay, now this time you're going to have, there's no real form to match this, so you really just have to expand it and hope for the best. Okay, so we'll throw that in. That's our definition of the sinh. And then we'll just expand. I'm going to put that half out here because I don't really need it inside there yet. Okay, so multiplying through, I get this. You can see each one of these is actually integrable in itself. It's just standard exponential functions. So this first one, I will need a negative for the antiderivative. And this next one over here, I'll need a, well, I have the negative, but I need a 3. So it's going to end up as a 1/3 plus 1/3 e to the negative 3x. And add a constant. Okay, so and you just double check that this would, the derivative of this would in fact be negative e to the negative 3x. If you just quickly check that, you'll see. Okay, and I don't think you're going to get this to look much better than it is. I mean, you could fix it a little bit. And I noticed in my notes that I did a little more with it. Well, you can leave it like that for now. It's fine.